You have a great idea for an online course, but no interest in spending weeks building it from scratch. Well, what if you could actually turn that rough idea into a professional learning path literally within just minutes? Well, today in this video, we are breaking down the best, or let's say the five best online course creators that can help you do exactly that. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to the channel. I would like to introduce you to none other than what is known as pro profs. And I want you guys to understand that AI it is literally taking over. Now, pro profs, you guys, they're going to be able to help you a lot, especially whenever it comes to certain things. So, if you will, be sure to check out the link down below, which is going to be in the description. Once you click it, you're going to be able to go to what is known as Pro Profs. Or importantly, you guys are going to see that you're going to be able to sign up and then you're going to be able to sign in. So over here on the very top right, you guys can see that we do have this dashboard. And what we're going to go ahead and do is we're actually going to go ahead and just kind of put something right into our little prompt. All right. So you guys will see here's the dashboard. We have all of our different courses. So if you actually click right over here, you can see create course. Now you want to make sure that you click this little drop down box. You'll see right here, create from scratch, create using templates, ready to use courses. And we even have right here, creating using the ProProfs AI. That is what we're looking for. Okay. So we're actually going to click that. And you guys are going to see right here, we're going to be able to put a little prompt. So technically you want to describe what you want to teach. So in this case, we're just going to go ahead and create a comprehensive 5 module beginner's guide on digital photography, covering basic settings, composition, and lighting techniques. ProProfs Training Maker obviously is the top pick for speed and for ease of use, right? So very important you guys understand that. So what we're going to actually do here is we're going to go ahead and put digital photography. That is what we're going to put here for the topic. Okay, very important you guys understand that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that really quick. And you guys will see right here, obviously, if you'd like, you're more than welcome to add a link. And then right here, you can upload, right? PDF, docs, PTX, image, right? PNG, JPG, JPEG, whatever you prefer. And you'll see right here, you have short course, and then you even have table of content. So after you get done putting in your information, you guys, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're actually going to go ahead and click next. All right. Now, I want you guys to understand, basically, this is going to be able to generate a structured course outline. But not only that, you guys, but with complete text and basic media. All right. And you guys can actually see this is already created. All right. So we can actually generate the course. All right. So you guys will see right here. We got chapter 1, mastering camera basics, right? So page 1, navigating camera modes and settings. After that, chapter 2, you can see right here, art of composition, understanding the role of thirds and beyond, right? So you can technically add a page. You can see that right here. Just kind of click, right? All you have to do is click that, and you guys can see we got another one, right? Understanding exposure. We got down here, mastering leading lines for dynamic photos, right? So you can continuously add pages. I want you guys to understand the more pages that you add, the better information you're going to have, especially whenever it comes to getting this quiz done, right? So we got 4 there. Let's just go ahead and click this 2 more times, just showing you how this works, right? Pretty easy and simple. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and click right here for generate course. Right. So I want you guys to understand that unlike other platforms where you actually write every word out manually, whenever it comes to ProProf's Training Maker, it actually builds the foundation for you within minutes, as you guys can see, right? This is all done using AI. Now, after the ProProf's AI generates the overall structure, you will have full control to customize the content, right? You can add your unique voice, brand the portal, and seamlessly embed AI generated quizzes. All right. So you guys will see right here, we are currently collecting, right? So it's probably going to be less than about 5 minutes in my overall opinion. So I want to go ahead and talk about a few other websites besides ProProfs. As you guys are aware, they have what is known as Udemy. Right now, obviously, this is a massive marketplace. It's boasting millions of students actively searching for courses to buy every single day, right? it is, in my opinion, a fantastic option if you don't have your own audience yet, because they actually market your course for you. Okay. Now, the overall trade off is that you have less control over your pricing and you don't own the student data compared to hosting it yourself, right? Then we got another platform, right? Another website known as Skillshare. And so, yes, it focuses heavily on creative skills, lifestyle, and project based learning. Courses here are usually shorter and they're broken into bite sized, highly actionable video lessons rather than massive text based modules, as you guys saw for ProProfs, right? It's making the pages for it, right? So, not only that, but I want you guys to understand that the instructors, they are paid out a royalty pool, okay, based on the number of minutes premium students watch rather than a flat fee per course sale. And you guys know there's another platform, another website known as Teachable. Now, this is fantastic if you actually want to build a standalone courses, right? Or let's say specifically a course business completely under your own brand. They offer powerful sales page builders, which is great, right? Affiliate marketing tools and flexible pricing options like subscriptions or even payment plans, and your own. You actually own your student list and have complete control over the customer experience. Finish, right? Then finally, the last one before we check out our course is what is known as Podia. Okay. Now, Podia, yes, you guys, it goes beyond just acting as a course creator. It's an all-in-one digital storefront for creators. You can actually sell digital downloads, host webinars, and run a paid community, all from the exact same dashboard. Okay. Now, it is highly regarded for having zero transaction fees on its paid plans, keeping more money in your pocket as you scale. All right. So if we actually take a look here, you guys will see we're still currently analyzing, right? Still currently generating, still currently completing. We're at about 80%. Right now we have our draft, okay? But I want you guys to understand, just to recap here, Udemy and Skillshare, they are fantastic for tapping into an existing audience. Teachable and Podia, they are great for building an independent brand. While ProProf's Training Maker wins for rapid AI generation and getting your course launched the fast, right? And do you really have, I want to say all day, but in this course, building your own course, it could take weeks, it could take months, you guys. Okay. Now, before choosing, always consider what your main goal is, right? Sell to the public or to train your own internal employees. A platform like ProProf's Training Maker, you guys, it excels heavily in the corporate training space. So you guys will see right here, boom. All right. We have our draft, right? You see right here, ready to edit. We can even go right here for preview. Takes a few seconds to get going. But you guys are going to see right here is all of our information, right? You can just kind of scroll through here. Once again, these are all the different, we have our pages, right, for the chapter, okay? We can even scroll down here as well, and you guys can see the other ones as well, right? So a lot of benefits here. Over here at the very top, we got create, we got settings, we got send, we got reports. And technically, you can just kind of click over here. You can even edit the cover, do whatever you need. Guys, AI handled all of this within 5 minutes. Alrighty, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. If you are ready to turn your knowledge into impact, not only that, but also if you are looking to stop overthinking and you're going to start creating, then now is the time. All right, so check out the links in the description below to explore all of our top 5 picks and try ProProfs today to build your first course, as you saw, within minutes. So be sure to smash out that like button, smash out that subscribe button. Not only that, be sure to leave a comment. All right, we'll see you in the next video.